Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The GM 3.0 Duramax engine is a turbocharged inline-six diesel engine developed by General Motors, designed to offer a balance of power, torque, and fuel efficiency in light-duty trucks and full-size SUVs. It's often referred to as the Baby Duramax, to differentiate it from the larger 6.6 LV8 Duramax found in heavy-duty trucks. History and versions. LM2, 2019 to 2022, the first generation of the 3.0 Duramax. Introduced for the 2019 model year in the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 and GMC Sierra 1500. It produced 277 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque. It was also made available in the Chevrolet Tahoe/Suburban and GMC Yukon/Yukon XL and Cadillac Escalade from 2021 onwards. LZ0, 2023 present. This is the second generation, brought out for the 2023 model year. It features revisions that boost output to 305 horsepower and 495 lb-ft of torque, with improvements aimed at enhancing durability and refinement. This version is also known as TurboMax in some Chevrolet Colorado/GMC Canyon applications, though the L2R is also offered in those. Technical innovations. The 3.0 Duramax is a sophisticated engine with several key features. Inline-six configuration, known for its inherent balance, contributing to a smooth and refined operation. Aluminum cylinder block and heads reduces weight for improved fuel economy and handling. Dual overhead camshafts, DOHC, with 4 valves per cylinder, optimizes airflow for performance and efficiency. Common rail direct fuel injection delivers precise fuel atomization for efficient combustion. Variable geometry turbocharger. Garrett provides strong low-end torque and quick throttle response. Low-pressure exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, and selective catalyst reduction on filter, SCRF advanced emissions control systems to meet stringent regulations. Active thermal management and ceramic glow plugs. Aids in quicker warm-up, especially in cold weather. Forged steel crankshaft and connecting rods. Enhances durability for heavy-duty use. Exhaust brake capability. Available in tow/haul mode, providing additional confidence when towing, especially downhill. Advantages. Exceptional fuel economy. This is one of the biggest selling points. Owners frequently report real-world MPG in the mid-20s, with some achieving over 30 mpg on the highway, especially with 2 WD models. This significantly outperforms comparable gasoline V8 engines. Strong towing and hauling capability. Despite its smaller displacement, the abundant torque, especially from low RPMs, makes it highly capable for towing trailers and hauling heavy loads. It can tow up to 13,000 pounds in some configurations. Smooth and refined operation. The inline-six design inherently provides excellent balance, resulting in a remarkably smooth and quiet ride for a diesel engine, often described as car-like. Daily drivability. Its refinement and fuel efficiency make it an excellent choice for a daily driver that also has strong utility for weekend adventures or work. Longevity. Potentially diesel engines are generally known for their durability and long lifespan when properly maintained. Disadvantages and common faults/breakdowns. Higher initial cost. Vehicles equipped with the 3.0 Duramax typically have a higher purchase price compared to their gasoline counterparts. Diesel fuel and DF cost/availability. Diesel fuel can sometimes be more expensive than gasoline, and the engine requires diesel exhaust fluid, DEF, which needs to be refilled periodically, adding to running costs and requiring monitoring. Cold start issues. Early LM2. Some early LM2 models experienced issues with extended crank times or difficulty starting in cold weather, sometimes traced back to a faulty camshaft trigger wheel. GM has issued fixes and software updates for this. Rear main seal leaks. Early LM2. This has been a commonly reported issue, even on low-mileage vehicles. A rear main seal leak can lead to significant oil loss and costly, labor-intensive repairs. Fuel system issues. Injector failure can occur due to contamination or wear, leading to misfires, reduced performance, and decreased fuel efficiency. High-pressure fuel pump, HPFP, failure. Though less common than in some other diesel engines, HPFP failure can happen, often linked to fuel quality or wear. EGR system clogging. Like many modern diesels, the EGR system can accumulate soot and carbon deposits, potentially leading to performance issues and check engine lights. Regular cleaning may be necessary. Oil pump belt issues. The oil pump is driven by a wet belt. While GM initially rated it for a 150,000-mile replacement, they later extended this for some models. Concerns exist about the longevity and potential cost of replacement if issues arise, as it's an internal component. Turbo actuator problems. Issues with the turbocharger actuator can lead to reduced turbo performance, lag, or limp mode. Timing chain where early LM2 models, specifically 2020, experience problems with premature timing chain where potentially due to inadequate lubrication and heat at the rear of the engine. GM addressed this with an updated timing chain design, with improved oil flow and a more robust reluctor wheel by early 2021/2022. Repairs for this can be very expensive. Diesel particulate filter, DPF, regeneration. The DPF requires periodic regeneration cycles to burn off accumulated soot. This process can slightly reduce fuel economy during regeneration and requires certain driving conditions to complete properly. Frequent short trips can lead to more frequent regenerations and potential DPF issues. Fuel consumption. The 3.0 Duramax consistently delivers impressive real-world fuel economy. While EPA estimates vary by vehicle and drivetrain, 2WD versus 4WD, owners frequently report highway 27 to 33 mpg US, with some achieving even higher under ideal conditions, flat terrain, moderate speeds. Combined/mixed driving 21 to 27 mpg US. Towing 13 to 18 mpg US depending on the load, terrain, and speed. These figures are significantly better than comparable gasoline V8s in the same vehicles. Timing. The 3.0 Duramax engine uses timing chains for its camshafts and high-pressure fuel pump. It also has a wet belt for the oil pump. As noted in the faults section, early LM2 models 2020 had a known issue with premature timing chain wear. GM has since addressed this with an updated timing chain design and a more robust reluctor wheel. While timing chains are generally designed to last the life of the engine, it's crucial for owners of early models to be aware of this potential issue. The oil pump belt, while now rated for a longer interval, is still a component that will eventually require replacement, which can be an involved job due to its location. Oil. GM specifies SAE0W, 20 full synthetic oil that meets the GM Dexos D specification for the 3.0 Duramax, both LM2 and LZ0 versions. Capacity, approximately 7 quarts, 6.6 liters, with an oil filter change. Importance. Using the correct oil meeting the Dexos D specification is critical for proper lubrication of the advanced engine components, especially the timing chains and turbocharger, and for maintaining the warranty. Change interval. GM's oil life monitor dictates the change interval, but many experts and owners recommend more frequent oil changes, e.g., every 5,000 miles or less, especially if towing or in harsh conditions, to help mitigate potential issues like carbon buildup and extend the life of critical components. Opinions. The GM 3.0 Duramax generally receives very positive reviews, particularly for its blend of fuel efficiency, torque, and refinement. Positive opinions. Many owners are highly satisfied, praising its smooth operation, surprising power for its size, and excellent fuel economy, especially on long highway trips or when towing. It's often seen as a Goldilocks engine, offering a balance between larger, less efficient V8 gasoline engines and the more expensive, heavier-duty diesel options. Negative/cautious opinions. Concerns typically revolve around the potential for expensive repairs related to the known issues: rear main seal, timing chain in early models, fuel system components. Some also find the added cost of diesel fuel and DEF, along with the specific maintenance requirements of modern diesels, to be a drawback. Overall, the GM 3.0 Duramax is a highly capable and efficient engine that has carved out a strong niche in a light-duty truck and SUV market. Its appeal is particularly strong for those who want diesel towing and fuel efficiency without the size and cost of a heavy-duty truck. However, potential buyers should be aware of the specific maintenance needs and the historically reported issues in some early models. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.